Hey guys, Miss Clark, Quiz 104, Example 4. Here we go. We are finding which two segments have the same length. So we're going to check all of these segments listed here. So this first one, X, Y. So we're just going to write these as we figure them out. X, Y equals. So X is at, what does that look like? Hang on. 3. And Y is at 10. Minus 10. Absolute value 3 minus 10 is negative 7. Absolute value equals 7. So XY equals 7. Then what other ones do we have? We have YZ. So Y is at 10. And Z is at 16, 17, 18. Minus 18. 10 minus 18 is the absolute value of negative 8, and the absolute value of negative 8 is 8, so that equals 8. What other ones do we have? We have YZ, WX. So W is at negative 4, negative 3, it looks like negative 2. And X is at, what was that one? 3? Yeah. 1, 2, 3, minus 3. Change it to addition, change the sign of second number, and we get negative 5. Absolute value of negative 5 is 5. And that one equals 5. So far, no luck. Hang on, did I do that one right? W was negative 2. Oh, yeah. Yep. Okay. Just checking. All right. What other ones? We've already done YZ. What about VW? So V is at negative 10. And W is at negative 2. Oh, absolute value, not parentheses. Change it to addition, change the sign of the second number. Negative 10 plus 2 is the absolute value of negative 8, which equals 8. So that one is 8. So VW, we got YZ. We have XY, and we have VW. Okay. So we're just going to write these in. XY is 7. Where do you see another XY? 7 there. I don't see that one anywhere. YZ is 8. Let's write that in everywhere we see it. Awesome. WX is 5. Wherever we see that, we're going to write it in. Only one of those. And VW is 8. So the only two that are the same are VW and YZ. And that was example 4.